So you all love the complete air fryer cookbook, and can you believe it? I have now got my big padded envelope, and yes, you gathered it. I've now got a copy of Air Fryer Easy Everyday, your latest edition with another 140 super simple, delicious recipes. This one focusing on using different kitchen gadgets with lots of classic recipes. If you check out the contents page there, just look at what's included. We've got obviously an introduction, and then we're talking about different types of air fryers, then meal prep, pantry, a chapter dedicated to the air fry oven, but that chapter also has how to make the same recipes using an air fryer basket or a joule. We've got a poultry chapter, a meat, a fish, a vegetarian and vegan, which I'm absolutely in love with, potatoes, vegetables, 7 days of dinners, which is a really fun theme, and then our baking chapter. I mean, isn't that amazing for the chapters that are included? And then let me give you a scroll through and just show you what we've got in here. We've got a lovely baking chapter. That was sausage rolls you saw. Flatbread, lamb roast, curry. We've got 2 curry recipes in the book. Toad in the hole, anyone? Moussaka, Monday pie, butternut squash, loads and loads of delicious vegetables and fries, sweet potatoes. Oh, you name it, it's here. Oh, and I'm just loving that macaroni cheese. There's the other curry, soup. Oh, wow, I'm in love. I cannot believe how much time I spent on these great recipes for you. I know them all inside out. That was the doner kebab. We've got beef Wellington, but we've got a cheap version as well, which is delicious. We've got chicken wings. We've got Hunter's chicken. You know, we've got kebabs. Oh, they're lovely. We've got crispy duck and pancakes, gammon, pork tray bake, and so much more. And the pantry and the meal prep chapter is my favourite part of the cookbook. It's just absolutely amazing. And you're just going to love all the everyday recipes that are included in Air Fryer Easy Everyday. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Amazon or your preferred retailer and order yourself a copy of Air Fryer Easy Everyday.